Whoa.
What?
I think this one might be encumbered. Oh shit, it broke my boots.
Lol.
I think you can jump its tail swing, I'm not sure.
Oh fuck yes.
What? Your long
We
neck?
now have a we now have a preservative fridge bin thing up here.
Cool. We
It's
need an
in the
actual
most-
fridge
It's in the most epic spot.
outside.
No, it's inside, but we still have room to walk around and open up the door. And
Whoa,
put the
that thing nearly hit
electric
me. I jumped over it and it nearly hit me.
generator. Wow.
I'm nearly dead, by the way.
Oh, nice.
Deuce, why aren't you killing these things in one hit, you piece of crap? Thought we trained you to be better than this.
Doesn't even notice the fridge.
Man, narcos come first.